Hello, my name is Chris Boehm, and I am the Instructional Associate of the MiraCosta Community College Design Department. We are located in Oceanside, California, and I'm here today to show the Phoenix version 2 hands that we have replicated here on campus using our 3D printers and knowledge. So what we are trying to get our badges for is the Phoenix V2 Fabrication and the Assembly. So we'd like to manipulate these a little bit for you. This is printed at 150% to make it big enough to get an adult hand into. I know the recommendation was a little bit smaller than that. Here we go. Fantastic grippers and material that you good people supplied. You'll notice that we used a number of different printers, some ABS, this is PLA. We also have some photopolymer from the Form 2, and actually used 4 different printers on this, from a Dimension 1200 down to an XYZ and a Dremel. So the other hand was the initial prototype that we got off your amazing website, and we were actually brought this project by associate faculty in our computer science department who read about it and felt compelled to help community members. Here is this one in action, gripping. Sorry, my fingers are so let's get a little, it's a little small for me, but there. You know, we're supposed to talk about any potential challenges that we had. I am really impressed with the design. Whomever took the time to especially make all the reiterations and improvements did a fantastic job. Love the use of the over-the-counter parts like the screws. We did use a thicker twine on this bigger hand. I initially used the flexible black bungee material, but I realized the flexibility actually didn't give it the tautness to pull tight. So we went with this instead, and we're quite pleased with that. This one was done mostly on the Dimension 1200, and then in order to bend the cuff, the wrist, we used a PLA on our Dremel, and that was really interesting to see that. Initially we tried to print it in ABS, and how little success one had with ABS, trying to drop it in boiling water, and then trying with PLA, and how capable one is to mold that and make it happen. So hopefully that's enough information. I'm going to put my phone number and email address, and we would be honored and delighted to receive badges and start assisting with your program. We think it's fantastic that you're doing this, and we greatly appreciate it.